Electric potential is the work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to a given point in the presence of an electric field. I will explain this in a detail, the concept of electric potential. Suppose we are having a positive charge plus Q. Now because we have this positive charge, it will exert a field around it. It will exert force whenever another charge comes in its vicinity. Now we have a unit positive charge. Unit means having magnitude 1. Unit positive charge which is placed at infinity. Suppose if I want to move this unit positive charge nearer to charge plus Q which is placed at a point A. So that means I am bringing the unit positive charge nearer to the positive charge Q. Then obviously the charge Q will repel the unit positive charge. It will try to push it away. It will oppose the motion of unit positive charge towards itself. Okay. So obviously the repulsive force of Q will act on plus 1 coulomb or unit positive charge. So in order to move this unit positive charge against the repulsive force, you have to do some work. That is known as electrostatic work. So whatever work you do in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to point A, that work done is stored at point A in the form of electric potential. So electric potential is nothing but the work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to a given point in the presence of an electric field. That means in the presence of electric field of this charge Q, you move unit positive charge from infinity to point A. You do work which is known as the electric potential. The SI unit of potential is volt. Okay, so this is the concept of electric potential. The next term is potential difference. Now potential difference also is the work done in moving a unit positive charge, but this term specifies the work done when the charge is being moved between any 2 points from one point to another, none of which is infinity in the presence of an electric field. Now again I'll explain the concept. Now suppose we move this unit positive charge to our point A. Now it is at point A. Now you want to move it further to point B, further nearer to point B. And again this charge Q is present here and the charge Q is present here. So if you want to move further nearer to Q, then there will be more and more repulsion on unit positive charge. So you have to move unit positive charge from A to B in the presence of electric field of another positive charge. Then you will face repulsion due to this positive charge. So you have to do some work in moving from A to B because it is nearer to Q. That's why. So whatever work you do in moving a unit positive charge from point A, one point to another means point A to point B in the presence of electric field, then that work is known as potential difference. Its SI unit is same as that of electric potential, that is volt. So from the above discussion we can also define the potential difference as work done in moving unit charge, work done per unit charge, or work done upon charge. So work done per unit charge is known as potential difference, and the unit of potential difference volt, it can be defined as 1 volt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb, because joule is the unit of work done and coulomb is the unit of charge. So 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. It can be written in alternate ways, but all have the same meaning. So in this way we see that the SI units of potential and potential difference are the same, and the definitions are almost same. Both are work done moving unit charge. The only difference is that potential corresponds to motion of unit positive charge from infinity to a given point, while potential difference corresponds to motion of unit positive charge from one point to another, none of which is infinity.